Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So how to download HP OmniBook Ultra 14 driver. So first open any browser and Google search box to live that and end of type the driver. Then go to this URL support.hp.com, this official website. Then go to this website, scroll down, select your operating system, okay, and then click to submit. After that it will come. Now you can see this is chipset driver, okay, and click to download. After that it will start in the download, and when it is completed it will blink like this, and just click on it after the download, okay, and then click to next. I accept, then next. Now it is installing, okay, and then scroll down, click to more download, scroll down, then again extract chipset, scroll down, then studio effect driver, and click to download. So same it will start, okay, then it is downloaded. Last one, open it, then click to next. I accept, next. Now it is installing. So after that restart your system and then please check it. Thank you.